Hello all you Fame viewers out there. So Jackie Bhagnani is here live with you guys. So last night we had a really interesting experience. Jackie essentially is here in London to meet Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai. So Jackie, you want to start off by telling all the Fame viewers about your experience and what was your first impression when they walked into the room?
First of all, I was really honored, to meet the family, and what was really surprising is that they are a normal family like how we have back in India.
Right.
Exactly same culture. The mother was there, Ziauddin Saab was there, Malala was there. I really like the the humor the father and daughter share, and it's exactly like how my sister and my dad share, and like how me and my dad and my mom share. So it was really nice to see that we are the same people. They are normal people. She has a great cause. It's just surprising that at the age of 18, she thinks like this. So I used to always feel that, ये ऐसे कैसे बात करती है, ये ना जरूर कुछ script आता होगा. We all feel that.
Right.
But she's speaking like that, she thinks like that, she believes in girl education. It's amazing. The meeting was at 6:15, 6:30, and then they requested at 8:15 that Malala needs to go home and sleep because she needs to go to school. And it hit me, dude, she's in school. She's a school girl.
Yeah.
And she's doing so much, as in it's just amazing because every time she's talking, it's not sounding like an 18-year-old.
Yeah.
And you look at her, and there's an 18-year-old sitting there talking so much sense, sorted in life,
Yeah.
and she just knows what she wants. When I was 18, I was lost. Why do you think I did Faltu? This is the first time, Janice, I would say that I did something with a pure heart, without anything, without expecting anything in return. Like for example, we do films, ये film hit हो जाए, ये गाना hit हो जाए.
Sure.
Yeah, So this is the first time I did something where I said, I just want to say sorry, and that's it. And it's made me learn a lot because I just feel that I should clearly follow this in my films also. Maybe they'll be more successful.
Okay, there's another question coming in from another Fame viewer. Were you worried when you were making the Malala tribute video that it would backfire?
Honestly, I had nothing to lose because that's the lowest I could go. I had been, trolled all over India, all over the world, and the annoying part was, which I told Malala and Ziauddin Saab, that sir, वो तो गलती हुई थी. उसके बाद whenever I spoke about my views on any other social social platform or any other views which I felt this is not right or this is wrong, people said तुम तो मलाला और मसाला नहीं बोल सकते, तुम क्या हमको सिखा रहे हो?
What gifts did you take for Malala?
What gifts did I take for Malala? Okay, I heard about all the mithai she likes, the Indian mithai she likes. So we got that specially made for her. We took some books for her.
Okay.
Amongst the books, I think we got to know that Ziauddin Saab is a huge fan of Mr. Bachchan.
Right.
And I contacted Mr. Bachchan.
You want to tell everyone about that dialogue of Mr. Bachchan's, the Khuda Gawah dialogue?
The Khuda Gawah dialogue is, he tells his wife ki, मैं अगर मर भी गया तो भी वापस आऊंगा. He loves Khuda Gawah because that was based on the Pathans,
right.
And he was saying the dialogues to us. I was aware about that, so I contacted Amit Uncle Mr. Bachchan, and Mr. Bachchan, as always, he's one of the most generous and one of the most professional celebrities we have in the world. And he wrote me a book, specially, a note for Malala, and I gifted that to her, and she was amazed. They were that book did it for them. I would like to say a big thank you to Fame, because it was their idea. They contacted me, and I'm really happy and thankful, grateful for all you guys for doing this video and communicating exactly what was on my heart and what was in my mind. Because a lot of times, let's face it, I've done films which have not done well, and purely that's because what was in my heart or what was communicated to me was not translated on screen.